since the beginning of 2020. The AND&OR team is working on this project. Thanks to our experience in industrial processes automation, we had the goal to offer an efficient solution at high speeds. The spread of the pandemic and the shortage of product accelerated the design and manufacturing process of the first machine. Conceptually, we have developed a unique machine in the market. With an inline concept and fully automated, thus, able to sort out up to 120 protection masks per minute. The equipment produces surgical and hygienic types, of up to 5 protection layers. With all the raw material required, such as melt-blown and spun-bond non-woven fabric. Then, a nose wire is inserted. And at the end the 2 ear loops are mounted on the mask. The design is modular according to the required production speed and the desired degree of automation, which complies with European regulations as CE certification. Most of movements are servo-drived, obtaining the high precision that this process requires. The integration of components have been carefully selected to give first-class quality and durability to our customers. The production line is autonomously controlled with an Omron PLC, with an extremely easy-friendly touchscreen, to enable our customers an easy operation and troubleshooting. Being AND&OR a specialist in automation processes, we offer to our customers not only the mask production machine, but also the automation of the end-of-line, and all auxiliary needed equipment. We have integrated a camera vision control to avoid defects on masks, as a bad welded ear loops. We included as well an ear loop folding system to reduce the size of final package, thus saving in plastic or carton, reducing the cost and being more environmentally friendly. To make the process fully automatic, we provide an easy integration of a Flowpack machine at the output. The technical service guaranteed for the equipment setup and after-sale maintenance. We are very optimistic that this solution, able to produce up to 1 million masks per week, will help companies and organizations to overcome the current crisis. We are supporting our customers worldwide and we hope helping to contribute to fight this global crisis.